welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be different. I actually haven't done this kind of vlog in a long time, so I thought I vlog this change that I want to make. Well, what is it? Oh, you want... Oh, okay, because Lottie is actually eating. She wants more kiwi fruit. Okay, mommy will get some more kiwi fruit. I'll be right back. Going back, as you can notice, my hair is a lot shorter. The other day, my sister was happy to look after Lottie, so I rang my hairstylist. Fortunately, he was available, so I went straight to his salon, got my hair chopped off, got rid of the dead ends and dry parts of my hair, so it's now looking healthier. But the transformation doesn't end there. Today, we're making this video because I am switching up my balayage to a darker tone. I've been thinking for a few days already that it's time for me to change, time for me to redeem my confidence back, especially after I had an accident. I feel like I lost my confidence, self-esteem. Personally, I want to feel better by changing my hair. I guess a lot of girls can relate because changing hair is a common response after breakup, boost your self-esteem, or if you want to make a big change in your life. So and that's why we're doing this transformation. I'm going to dye my own hair. We are DIYing because I haven't done it in a long while. I'll show you later the color that I chose. I'm going to show you how I do it and the end results. So yes, keep watching. I'm taking Lottie for a short walk. I want to take advantage of the beautiful sunny weather, and by the way, this is where I had an accident. Just right over here. Yeah, next time I'll be careful.
Moments later.
So we're on our way home and Lottie is now fast asleep. Good night, my love. Okay, it's about time. I just put Lottie to sleep. It's time for the transformation. This is the hair dye that I'm going to use. It's from L'Oreal Paris in the shade of Ultra Ash Brown. It comes with these products. I'm going to mix these two. This is the shampoo and the last anti-brassiness purple mask. Let's mix first. It comes with this applicator, this comb-like here. Pour the cream into the developer. Of course, it comes with a pair of gloves, but I'm not going to use it. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. I think I'm going to start from the top because this is the darkest area. I'll brush my hair first. Okay.
Moments later.
So I'm done. So I wrapped my hair in a bun, then covered it with one glove. So I'm going to leave this for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then I'll use the purple shampoo. Next is anti-brassiness purple mask. I'm going to leave it on for about 5 minutes.
The next day.
Hello everyone, welcome to another day of this vlog. So yeah, I'm just about to work out and then I'll show you later after I work out the final results. I was too tired last night, I couldn't do it. See you later. I'm home now and obviously I had a shower. This is how the hair looks like now that it's wet, and I'm going to dry it and style it so you can see the final results. Actually, it turned out so well. I evenly colored my hair. When the light strikes my hair, there's a little bit of brownish color. Yeah, I think you can see it a bit. Volumizing blow dry cream, this much, midway to the end parts of my hair. I'm going to brush my hair a little bit to evenly spread the product. I'm going to change the attachment. Okay, so if It's about 80% dry. I'll just fix my bangs with a straightener. Another hair tool. Now it's time to use the air wrap. Change it to the third attachment. There you have it. So yeah, it's not a failure, it's a success. I'll put here my whole photo from this balayage to this. Ta-da! So it's a bit brown and my hair is looking a lot healthier. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you on the next one.